Cortana, do you know what video should I post today?
You can post a video about ecology restoration.
Ecology? What is that?
Ecology is a study of ecosystem, and ecosystem is a community of animals.
Okay, but why should we restore it?
Many of the world's ecosystems have undergone significant degradation with negative impacts on biological diversity and people's livelihoods.
Okay, but what should we do now?
Given that many people now depend on what have become degraded ecosystems to sustain their livelihoods, ecological restoration needs to address 4 elements. These elements are critical to successful ecosystem management. Ecological restoration should improve biodiversity conservation, improve human livelihoods, empower local people, improve ecosystem productivity.
Okay, but what is an ecological restoration?
Ecological restoration is the process of assisting the recovery of an ecosystem that has been degraded, damaged, or destroyed. It is an intentional activity that initiates or accelerates an ecological pathway, or trajectory through time, towards a reference state. Ecological restoration has as its goal an ecosystem that is resilient and self-sustaining with respect to structure, species composition and function, as well as being integrated into the larger landscape and supporting sustainable livelihoods. Many healthy ecosystems are a product of human endeavors over very long time periods, and therefore restoration commonly requires the participation of resource-dependent communities. In this respect, ecological restoration supports conservation and sustainable development efforts worldwide.
But then how should we do a good ecological restoration practice?
Principles of good ecological restoration practice include ecosystems, incorporating biological and environmental spatial variation into the design, allowing for linkages within the larger landscape, emphasizing process repair over structural replacement, allowing sufficient time for self-generating processes to resume, treating the causes rather than the symptoms of degradation, include monitoring protocols to allow for adaptive management, human systems, ensuring all stakeholders are fully aware of the full range of possible alternatives, opportunities, costs and benefits offered by restoration. Empowering all stakeholders, especially disenfranchised resource users. Engaging all relevant sectors of society and disciplines, including the displaced and powerless, in planning, implementation and monitoring. Involving relevant stakeholders in the definition of boundaries for restoration. Considering all forms of historical and current information, including scientific and indigenous and local knowledge, innovations and practices.
But why did we degrade our own ecosystem and now how to restore it?
Now as shown in the picture, our history was good, but then we degraded it, and then we said this is hybrid and is very good, and we strongly degraded it, and now it has been severely degraded. And now your question will be, how are we degrading our own ecosystem? The air and the untreated water from the factories are the major reasons. And now we cannot say no to factories too.
Now what should we do to stop it?
1. Remove source of degradation. The factories have to treat water and filter air. 2. Restore physical environment, which means leave the animals to live where they live, instead of building something there.
So let us at least do something really small for our own bright future.
Please like, share and subscribe